Can I recover my WhatsApp account using an email address instead of a phone number?
Hello everyone. In today's video, we're going to talk about WhatsApp account recovery. A common question many of us have is, can we recover our WhatsApp account using an email address instead of a phone number? Let's dive into the details.
Understanding WhatsApp account recovery.
WhatsApp primarily uses your phone number for account recovery. When you sign up for WhatsApp, you use a phone number, and this number is what ties you to your WhatsApp account. If you lose access to your phone number, WhatsApp has a process for you to recover your account. However, there isn't a direct option to recover your account with your email address instead. While your email is important for tasks like receiving notifications and updates from WhatsApp, it's not part of the account recovery process.
Can I use my email instead?
As of the time of this video, WhatsApp does not use email for account recovery. Even if you've provided your email address to WhatsApp, they still require your phone number for the account recovery process. If you lose access to your phone number, WhatsApp typically requires you to obtain the same number from your provider to recover your account.
What should I do if I lose my phone number?
If you have lost your phone number, the best approach is to try and get the same number back from your provider. Once you have access to the same number, you can reinstall WhatsApp on your device and verify your number to regain access to your account. Remember, if you're unable to regain access to your number, it's important to protect your account by emailing WhatsApp support to deactivate your account. So there you have it. While we all wish we could use email as a recovery method, as of now, WhatsApp relies solely on your phone number for account recovery. Don't forget to protect your account and contact WhatsApp support in case of any problems. Stay safe, stay informed, and as always, thank you for tuning in.